Well, guys, I think we've finally done it. This is a fully 3D printed Cinewhoop, and not just any Cinewhoop, what I consider to be the top-of-the-line premium O3 cinematic drone. It's quiet, it's small, you can fly indoors, but it's got just enough power to we can also fly outdoors as well. And now it's completely 3D printed other than the components like the motors AIO and Aero 3. The carbon fiber frame has been replaced with Bamboo's PAHTCF, which is basically nylon 12 with infused carbon fiber strands. I'm working on a lot of videos right now at once, so I don't know which one I'm going to release first, so I'm just going to say it now. The reason why I got away from Polymaker's pretty fantastic PA6 was because I live in a very humid environment, and of course you'll see in a second, it's very crap outside. It's just too humid, and the filament's hygroscopic, like massively hygroscopic, so it's not good. But Bamboo's PAHTCF has been the perfect filament. Not quite as rigid off the printer, but it maintains its rigidity even in the midst of a humid environment, which is fantastic and a necessity for someone like me. What's more is that I'm only gaining something like 5 grams by going to a printed frame, which is acceptable given that I built this thing to be as efficient as it possibly can be. I'm taking a lot of inspiration from already well-established engineering principles, but there's a lot of engineers that have been pointing me in the right direction and even using special software to analyze my frames and give me feedback that's going to help me design even better in the future. I do hope to learn this stuff for myself, but it's always nice to have friends that are smarter than you to keep you on the right track. But honestly, all of that engineering talk can be put to the wayside because at the end of the day, the most important thing is how does this fly? Let's find out. Oh, hello there. It's at this point that many of you might be asking yourselves, did I just join a cult? It's a perfectly valid question. Just make sure to like and subscribe I repeat, like and subscribe. Also click up here or over there. Just click somewhere on the screen. It doesn't actually matter where you click. That's the secret.